Hello and welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. In today's demo, we'll be exploring the dynamic formula feature. A dynamic formula field is a type of field that references other fields or objects within the system and updates dynamically as values change, allowing for value calculations and information display. Our goal today is to create a column that automatically calculates the annual recurring revenue, ARR, from the amount field. To do this, we'll go to the Config wizard and click on Formulas. Here are the types, and all the fields that we have. Here, we have access to a variety of functions such as math, text, and logical operations. Next, we'll set the field type as currency and label it as ARR. For the field, we'll select the amount column and create a formula that multiplies it by 12. We'll check the syntax to ensure there are no errors and then copy the config. We'll edit the lighting page in the app builder. Paste the config into the formula column section. After saving our changes, we'll navigate back to the Grid Explorer and move the ARR column next to the amount column. Once we hit Apply, the ARR column will be added to the grid and update dynamically as values change. Finally, let's test the dynamic functionality by making some changes and seeing if the ARR value updates accordingly. Perfect, the value has changed. Thank you for watching.